Afternoon all. This time I'm gonna do an unboxing of the 11th generation of iPad, that is with the A16 chip. So yeah, I've been wanting a tablet like this for a while. Once I had an iPad 2 that my grandmother gave me, which, as you guys probably know, couldn't run any iOS versions higher than 9.3.5. There we go. Silver finish. Oh, I probably shouldn't have showed the back. And of course you've got your charging materials and your standard manuals. Oh, is that all that's in there? I think it is. I'm probably gonna have to cut it. Okay guys, I'm gonna start it up here. Just put the smart folio onto it, which you had seen from my video earlier this week on Tuesday. So yeah, alright, here we go. It's landscape. Yes, so here it is starting up. Alright. Do English. Alright, and then I'll just set it up from here. So once again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe if you have any questions. Again, this is just the base model, so the A16 chip, 128GB storage. Yeah, so thanks for watching once again, and see ya.